Teachers in Zimbabwe are facing a crisis. Their salaries have been slashed. This is a major blow to these hardworking individuals who are dedicated to educating the next generation. The pay cuts are deeply concerning and raise questions about Zimbabwe's commitment to education. The situation demands our attention. We need to understand the impact of these cuts. We must ask ourselves, what does this mean for the future of Zimbabwe? The Zimbabwean government claims the pay cuts are necessary. They cite the country's struggling economy. Austerity measures are needed, they say, to stabilize the situation, but many are skeptical. They see these cuts as a sign of the government's priorities. Education is not valued. Teachers are not respected. The government's actions speak louder than their words. Echoes of discontent. The public reacts. The salary cuts have sparked outrage across Zimbabwe. Citizens are expressing their solidarity with teachers. They recognize the vital role teachers play in society. They understand the injustice of the situation. Students, parents, and community members are speaking out. They are demanding change. The government can no longer ignore the growing discontent. The stakes are high. Education in jeopardy. The crisis in Zimbabwe's education system has far-reaching consequences. Education is the foundation of a thriving society. It empowers individuals, it drives economic growth, it fosters innovation. When education suffers, the entire nation suffers. A bleak future. The future of Zimbabwe's education system hangs in the balance. The government's actions will determine the path forward. Will they choose to invest in education? Will they listen to the voices of their people? Or will they continue down a path of neglect and indifference? The situation in Zimbabwe is a stark reminder of the importance of prioritizing education. It is a wake-up call for governments around the world. Teachers are the backbone of society. They deserve our respect and support. The crisis in Zimbabwe is not just about teachers' salaries. It is about the future of a nation. It is about the hopes and dreams of a generation. It is a test of Zimbabwe's commitment to its people.